I love my Pro 95 printer, but over time it's collected fingerprints. Maybe yours are even worse. So I've made some handles so we don't have to touch that dome. We've copied the design language of the Procure 2 and adjusted the height so that we don't block view of the screen from normal working distance. We then printed a template with 3 different height markings, depending on which handle you use so that you clear the screen. We've covered the dome with blue painter's tape and secured the template to it. Marked it with a Sharpie, masked over the inside with a tray cover, and then we went ahead and double checked our heights, making sure we can view the screen. Then we'll go ahead and use a Sharpie again, reinforcing our marks. And now we'll take our drill using progressively larger drill bits from small to large until we get a nice hole where the screw will passively fit through. In case you're wondering, this handle was designed to use a number 8 screw with a 3/16 drill bit. And then we're going to go ahead and tighten the screws into the handle. Don't over tighten. Clean up a little bit. And there's our beautiful handle. Case closed.